If you snore loudly and wake up tired, your body may be fighting for air hundreds of times at night. Ignoring CPAP isn't just about feeling sleepy, it can raise your risk of high blood pressure, atrial fibrillation, stroke, and diabetes. Many people think that CPAP is optional, but for moderate to severe sleep apnea, it can be risk reduction, not just comfort. Morning headaches, brain fogs, high blood pressure. The hidden cause might be your sleep. Snoring is the noise, but the real danger is oxygen dropping while you sleep. Hello everyone, I'm Dr. PK. And today we'll talk about obstructive sleep apnea, why so many people ignore CPAP. What really happens because of sleep apnea? Obstructive sleep apnea means your throat airway collapses during sleep, so you stop breathing for a short period again and again. Every time that happens, two big things occur. Your oxygen level drops, your body panics and releases a stress hormone like adrenaline. So you partially wake up to breathe. You may not remember waking up, but your body does. And this can happen dozens or even hundreds of times per night. So I'm going to talk about the consequences of not using CPAP. First, your heart and blood vessels. Untreated sleep apnea commonly causes high blood pressure, especially high readings in the morning. Hard to control hypertension even on multiple medication. Heart rhythm problems like atrial fibrillation. High risk of heart attack and stroke. It can worsen heart failure. Why? Because your body is getting repeated nighttime stress signals. It's like running mini marathon in your sleep. What happens to your brain, mood, and daily function? Broken sleep leads to daytime sleepiness, brain fog, memory issues, poor focus, mood problem, more irritability, anxiety, and depression. And here's the practical risk many people ignore. If you are sleepy during the day, your risk of car accident and work accidents goes up because of micro sleep. What happens to your metabolism and weight gain? Untreated sleep apnea is linked with insulin resistance, high risk of type 2 diabetes, increased cravings, and appetite changes. So people feel tired, crave sugar or carbs, gain weight, and then can make sleep apnea even worse. It becomes a vicious cycle. So why CPAP matters? CPAP works by gently keeping the airway open so you don't have those oxygen drops and adrenaline surges all night. And what can CPAP usage do for you? It improves sleep quality and energy. It helps lower blood pressure in many people. It reduces the strain on the heart, improve focus, mood, and daytime function. And in people with a heart rhythm issues like AFib, treatment of OSA is often part of the bigger prevention plan. If you hate CPAP, don't quit, adjust. Now, if you try CPAP and hated it, you are not alone, but don't give up too fast. Most problems are fixable. Different mask types, nasal pillow versus full mask, humidifier for dryness, ramp settings so pressure starts low, treating nasal congestion, allergies. For some people, oral appliance or side sleeping therapy can help. The goal is not perfection, goal is consistent treatment. So if you snore loudly, wake up tired or have high blood pressure and get evaluated for sleep apnea. And if CPAP is prescribed, treating OSA can protect your heart, brain, and your future. Thank you for watching. I'm Dr. PK from Dr. PK Live.